Are you struggling with fatty liver disease? This is a question many people worldwide are grappling with today, so let's delve into what exactly fatty liver disease is. In simplest terms, it's a condition characterized by an excess buildup of fat in the liver cells. Now don't get alarmed just yet. It's completely normal for your liver to have some fat. However, when more than 5% of your liver is composed of fat, that's when we enter the territory of fatty liver disease. This condition is far from rare. In fact, it's one of the most common liver diseases affecting people globally. But why should we concern ourselves with fatty liver disease? Well, the liver is a vital organ playing a key role in digesting food, storing energy, and removing toxins. Therefore, it's crucial to maintain its health. Understanding fatty liver disease is the first step to overcoming it. Wondering what causes fatty liver disease? We're about to delve into the factors that lead to this condition. Understanding these causes is the first step towards effective prevention and management. At the core, fatty liver disease is characterized by an excess accumulation of fat in your liver cells. This buildup can be attributed to several factors. Obesity is a significant one. With the global obesity rates on the rise, fatty liver disease is becoming increasingly common. The excess fat in the body can infiltrate the liver, leading to its accumulation. High blood sugar also plays a pivotal role. When your body's insulin is not effectively lowering your blood sugar, your liver converts the excess sugar into fat. This process, known as de novo lipogenesis, can contribute to the fat buildup in your liver. The link between insulin resistance and fatty liver disease is also crucial. Insulin resistance is when your body's cells don't respond properly to insulin, causing your pancreas to produce more insulin. The overflow of insulin can lead to an increase in fat production and storage in your liver. High levels of fats, especially triglycerides in the blood, can also lead to fatty liver disease. These fats can be deposited in the liver, contributing to the condition. But it's not just about the numbers on the scale or your blood test results. Your lifestyle choices matter too. Poor dietary habits, such as consuming high-fat and high-sugar foods, can lead to the accumulation of fat in your liver. A lack of physical activity can exacerbate this. Certain medical conditions may also increase your risk. Conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and metabolic syndrome can contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. In summary, fatty liver disease is a multifactorial condition. While some causes are out of our control, many are lifestyle-related and can be modified. From keeping a check on your weight and blood sugar to making healthier dietary choices and staying active, there are ways to mitigate the risk. Knowing the causes helps you prevent and manage fatty liver disease effectively. So, let's take charge of our health and make the necessary changes today. So, what happens when you have fatty liver disease? Well, when excess fat builds up in your liver, it's not just a benign condition. It can lead to far more serious problems over time. The first and most common effect is inflammation. This inflammation can cause your liver to enlarge and can lead to discomfort in the upper right abdomen. But it doesn't stop there. When the inflammation goes unchecked, it can lead to the development of fibrous scar tissue in the liver, a condition known as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a serious condition that disrupts the normal structure and function of the liver, making it harder for your liver to perform its vital tasks. But the complications don't end with cirrhosis. A fatty liver can also increase your risk of developing liver cancer. This is a particularly dangerous form of cancer because it often does not show symptoms until it's in its later stages. Perhaps the most severe consequence of fatty liver disease is liver failure. This is a life-threatening condition where the liver has lost all or most of its function. And trust me, you don't want to be in a situation where your liver isn't working. It plays an essential role in detoxifying your body, among many other things. Early detection and management of fatty liver disease can prevent these serious complications. So remember, take care of your liver and it will take care of you. How can you treat fatty liver disease? A question that might seem daunting, but the answer is simpler than you may think. Fatty liver disease, while serious, can be managed and even reversed with the right approach. Let's start with the cornerstone of treatment: lifestyle modifications. The three pillars of this approach are a healthy diet, regular exercise, and weight loss. When combined, these three factors can have a remarkable impact on the health of your liver. A healthy diet is paramount. It's about more than just cutting out junk food. It's about nourishing your body with wholesome foods. Lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats are the key ingredients to a liver-friendly diet. Avoiding alcohol and foods high in saturated fats and sugars can also go a long way in reducing liver fat. Next, we have regular exercise. It's not about becoming a gym rat overnight, rather, it's about consistent, moderate activity. Even a brisk walk for 30 minutes a day can help improve liver function. The goal is to get moving and keep moving. Every step counts. Weight loss is the third pillar. Even a modest reduction in body weight can lead to significant improvements in liver health. For those who are overweight or obese, losing just 5 to 10% of body weight can drastically reduce liver fat. In some cases, lifestyle modifications may not be enough, and medication may be necessary. There are a variety of drugs available that can help manage the symptoms and slow the progression of fatty liver disease. However, it's important to remember that medication should always be used in conjunction with lifestyle changes, not as a standalone solution. Finally, in severe cases, liver transplantation may be an option. This is typically a last resort, when other treatments have failed and the liver is severely damaged. Remember, the most effective treatment for fatty liver disease is a healthy lifestyle. It's about making positive, sustainable changes that will not only improve your liver health, but your overall well-being too. So take that step towards a healthier you today. Are there natural remedies for fatty liver disease? The answer is a resounding yes. Nature provides us with an array of foods that can aid in the management of fatty liver disease. Dietary changes play a critical role in controlling this condition, and incorporating certain foods into your daily routine can significantly enhance liver health. First on the list is garlic. Not just a flavor powerhouse, garlic is known for its incredible health benefits. It has been shown to stimulate the liver to activate enzymes that can flush out toxins. Plus, it contains allicin and selenium, two powerful nutrients that assist in liver cleansing. Next up, we have broccoli. This green wonder is packed with beneficial compounds that can reduce fat in the liver and protect it from damage. Its high fiber content aids in digestion and helps the body eliminate toxins, contributing to overall liver health. Milk thistle could also help your liver. This herb has a long tradition of use for liver health, but talk to your doctor about potential interactions with medications. Finally, let's talk about green tea. This soothing beverage is rich in antioxidants known as catechins, which are believed to improve liver function and decrease fat storage in the liver. So not only is it a calming ritual, but it's also a powerful tool in your fatty liver disease management kit. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you manage fatty liver disease. However, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new diet or treatment. It's important to remember that while these foods are beneficial, they're part of a larger lifestyle change needed for comprehensive liver health. See you next time on Wellness Joy Well.